Shades and tints. Hey kids, see, there are two snakes. Let's do friendship with them. Complete the picture and apply different shades and tints of colors. You can choose between red, blue or green color. Wow, they look cute now.